In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then select Face Unlock here and enter your current login method. Now tap on Start, wait 5 seconds and select Next. When you're ready, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to. Hit OK and tap on Done. Adjust all of those options as you wish, but make sure this one is enabled. Unlock using face data. Without this switcher being blue, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your device. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!